every day of my life. You know, like how cool is that? Because you only have one life. Whatever you love, that's what you should do. It doesn't matter, you know, like money, it comes and goes, and you can survive. I feel like it's what I was meant to do in this life, you know, because I teach women to love their bodies. I mean, how awesome is that? Like that, I change people's lives. I really do, like one person at a time. Like how many people can say that? Like that's cool. That's so cool. And through belly dance, you learn to love your body. You learn to love what it does, and you know, like there's a multi-billion-dollar industry built around how ugly you are and how you're not thin enough or not fat enough or your ass isn't big enough or your lips aren't big enough or whatever. Yeah, and you like through belly dance you can learn to love yourself the way you are. Right. I love myself the way I am. What's up? What's up, guys? Your girl Ariana, that cute little brown girl. Everybody want a little taster. And today is episode 1 of Walk with Airi. We are discovering Airi, and I'm taking you guys on the process with me. Likes, dislikes, and for the first day, we are trying belly dancing. Show them what we learned. Y'all, class haven't started yet. But stay tuned. Hit that thumbs up button. Get this video to 10 likes. Comment down below. Team Airi all day, every day. Subscribe to my sister's channel, Mayla Marie. ELPP23. Get it right. Subscribe on your Instagram, ELPP23. Yeah. All right. Yes. If you want a crop top, boom. Hey, who y'all think gonna be one of the, like, who y'all think gonna learn faster?
Okay.
So it's an audio feedback, yeah?
Dana got it.
I'm gonna grab you too, and then me.
Layla, you looking real shaky, but not in the hips. Not in the hips.
Girl, what is that? She like trying to become a crab. Oh, y'all, my breath. You did too. I did a whole crab circle rotation of the hips. Okay. All right. If you the posture in belly dance is doing like the middle between extremes. So it's like right down in the middle. So if you think of like putting your feet out here, putting your feet in here, it is right here. Yeah, so you're gonna be inside of your hips. So the big thing of belly dance that's really hard for American girls is keep your knees bent. Because we tend to bend your knees, yeah. Because we tend to like lock our knees out and push our butt out to the back. Yeah, so like that. Yeah, so it's a little difficult, but I'm an American girl, I do it, so. Hey, why don't you come a little further. That way you can push your arms out. Okay. So like that. You want to take up some space. There you go. So this is what we do when we're doing nothing at all. Alright, so the first little thing we're going to do just to warm up our muscles, you're going to keep your knees bent, and you're going to squeeze the shirt. No, squeeze the shirt. No, squeeze the shirt. No, squeeze the shirt. So it's an oblique move. Keep your upper body still.
It's these hips that don't lie.
Not these hips that don't lie.
Don't get the rolls.
Y'all look nice on the camera.
So, we're gonna bring it up like this. So, and what I'm doing is, just so we can look at the back. Airi, you see how your knee is locked in the back?
Oh yeah.
It's hard. It's hard. American Girl, we just love to lock out that knee. You don't pop your knee out to the back and then pop your butt out. So you're gonna first unpop your knee. See how your butt is like way far? Can I touch you?
Yeah.
Okay. No, you gotta ask, you know. Yeah. Okay, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And then, okay,
This will be
stay
here?
there. Stay there, and then lift your ribs.
Lift what? Lift
Your
it?
ribs. So then drop your shoulders. There you go. So think about it. Think about your hips, your feet. Here, go flat. Go, so bend your knees. Think about the outside of your body. Your hips, your knees, your feet, your shoulders are pushing down towards the ground.
This leg was shaking
And
like
then-
crazy.
But you gotta practice it.
No, I'm just saying, like,
So,
wow, that's
and then
deep.
your upper body, the middle of your body, like the center, goes up, 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 up. That's a little wrong. No, that's not bad. Drop your shoulder. There you go. There you go.
Come on, Dana. With the
Up. Woo. But we're gonna go front, back, front. And for this one, we're gonna be here. Back, front, back, front, back. Keep your abs in. Keep your upper body still. Keep that arm still. So what you're doing with this is showing that. What you're doing, we do this a lot, is here. We're going, look right here, people, look right here. So that, they don't have to work for it. Yeah. So we don't want like everything moving. Otherwise it's too much. You're like, you want your audience to like sit back, enjoy. They're, usually eating, drinking, so you gotta make it easy. And for them to enjoy one thing, not like a whole bunch of stuff.
Right.
So much happening. And then the next little thing we're gonna do is another little move. We're gonna go, whoop, whoop. Let's look at that. In there, in there, whoop, swim, swim. So what I'm doing, okay, let's come to the front so we can see. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking this little ab right here, this upper ab, and I'm going turn, 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 and here, and here. Below the boobs, above the boobs, below the boobs, above the boobs, below, above the boobs, above.
I will laugh, but I'm trying to breathe.
So if you ever wanted to practice something like that, like moving your abs, I just put a tutorial thing up yesterday. I put 2 of them up on TikTok. And it is how to do things with your abs while breathing. So easy. Pick a song that you know all the words to, and then like put the song on, sing, and actually sing, even if it's bad. Just sing, and then do whatever move it is that you want to do, because your brain automatically regulates your breath when you sing. And then you can focus on doing this and you'll breathe. If you're singing, you're breathing. You have to breathe when you sing. Yeah? So it's so easy. Yeah?
How you feeling? This is a sign to pursue my dancing career I always wanted.
Right?
Let's see something real quick.
See?
Okay. It's only me. It's only me.
Stop in the name of love. And then stop in the name of love. So stop. I got all my weight on the left leg.
Is your left leg bending still? Or
Yes, of course.
Oh.
So the answer to is your knee back is always yes.
Okay.
So from there,
This thing's gonna sweat out my head.
I'm here. We're going here. So, like that. So, and we're gonna go like that. Yeah. So, 7, 8. 1, 2. Let me show you the hips first, and then we'll do the hands. So 1, 2, and then we're going 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, 7. Yeah, so right, left, right, then bam. Kabam! 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 All right, and let's go ahead and throw on the 8 and 1.
So kind of like touching over your body like this.
No. So here's the thing. Belly dance is sexy in a different way. So this is one kind of, yeah. That's a different kind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are you so stiff?
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah? From here, let's come back to this. So from here, you're gonna keep your hands together, and you're gonna go around. I know, right? Okay.
TikTok song. And y'all are like, woo, okay,
let's do it a couple more times to this song, and then it goes up one more speed when we do it.
Oh, no.
It's not that bad, boy. So we gotta go like slow, the medium.
Yeah. Dang, I got too comfortable. Okay.
Yeah. Airi, did you hear? We're gonna start. So we're starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How you feel? How you feel? So that's we're starting there. How you feel? How you
1,
feel?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 5, 5.
3, 2, 4,
3,
5.
2. Okay.
You know it's the 38 count. That's how we count
Okay,
it. Yeah.
alright.
But it's the 38 count. We're starting on 7 on the 38 count.
Okay. How I feel?
And
How I feel?
Yeah. How you feel? Huh? Yep.
How I feel? I'm playing. Tell this to me.
I'll count it. You know, I'll count it so you'll get.
Okay, guys, so we are at Atlanta Belly Dance, and I am here with
Schadia. Hey.
Yes.
Hi guys. My name is Schadia, and I just thought you guys want to come into the camera. We just had a class. As you can see, we are nice and sweaty. Hey. But we just learned a fun dance, a belly dance for beginners. If you want to come to Atlanta Belly Dance and learn belly dance with me, I welcome you. I would love to see you. We have 3 locations here in Atlanta. We have one in Brookhaven, one in Smyrna, and one in Kirkwood. And you can come take classes with us every week, all week, every year, all year. So come and see us. The website is atlantabellydance.com. You can also see us on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and Facebook at Atlanta Belly Dance, all one word.
that's marketing for you.
Hey.
All right, well, I love you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure y'all comment down below what you want to see. And thank you so much.
Thank you. I did too.
And now I'm going to start doing some videos with me. But I love you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. All of her information, links, everything that you want to know will be down below. They have these really cute, what are these called?
Coin sashes. We got everything for belly dance costumes,
They got
skirts.
every color, any color you can think of, all different colors. I am just so excited to share this process with you guys. I love you guys, and I am out. Peace.